Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you how to select the entire worksheet, using only shortcut keys in Excel 365. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial, as a PDF, by following the link in the video description below. For most people, to select the entire worksheet, you would use your mouse and click on the top left corner of the worksheet. This would select your entire worksheet. However, if you have difficulty using a mouse, or you would prefer to use only shortcut keys, you can simply press and hold the Control key, and then press the A key. This will select your entire worksheet, with only having to use shortcut keys. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.